Hello, my name is Ariana White, and I will be discussing the topic of universal health coverage. Imagine one day you wake up sick, you can't get out of bed, you can't get no sleep, you can barely keep food down. This is the sad reality of millions of Americans today. After doing some research into organizations such as the American Journal of Public Health, the Kaiser Family Foundation, and the Commonwealth Fund, I was able to dive deeper into issues surrounding health coverage in America. Today, I'll be explaining why the U.S. should provide universal health coverage to Americans. Americans lack access to affordable health care. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, in 2023, approximately 25.3 million of Americans were uninsured. Medical expenses causes financial harm and burdens on many families today. The American Journal of Public Health reports that majority of the bankruptcies that were filed in America was due to the medical debts and expenses incurred by the citizens. People just simply, most of the time, avoid going to the doctor and just stay sick because they simply cannot afford it. This current system leaves all of our Americans vulnerable, unprotected, and leaves us at risk for stress. Having universal health coverage would allow us to have access to everything we need. Other countries, according to the Commonwealth Foundation, we can see that other countries tend to spend way more or less money when it comes to their health expenses, and this is data incurred from 2023. I'm sorry, data incurred from 2023. Having universal health coverage will help us reduce our medical debts, give us access to preventative health care, lower expenses, and provide us income despite provide us health coverage despite our income. If we step in the right direction, we could picture a positive future when it comes to the healthcare. Universal healthcare would allow us to save money. It would allow us to live without fear of having bills swallow us. It would help us stay updated on our diagnosis and get early detections for any illnesses that may be serious. Remember, having no job shouldn't mean that you having no good income based job doesn't mean you shouldn't have great health care. If nothing changes, we will continue to grow in our debt, illnesses will get worse, the mortality rate will rise, and people will endure more and more financial burdens. In conclusion, to achieve affordable healthcare access or achieve universal healthcare coverage, we need to prioritize looking into the policies that surround anything with the healthcare field. We need to support and go out and vote for any policies that help recommend us to have greater healthcare coverage. We need to stay in the mix, stay in the news, stay in the know, and keep updated with anything surrounding health policies or anything surrounding your government. And remember, healthcare again should be a birth given right. It shouldn't be anything that anybody has to pay for because it's just not fair. Millions of Americans work every day, we work hard. We just need someone to give back to us.